Hola amigos, my name is Maria and today I'm going to show you how to make a whole food plant-based oil-free version of pumpkin enmoladas. That's next. For those of you who are new to my channel, I like showing you how to make healthy versions of Latino dishes, especially if you are looking to lose weight or reverse type 2 diabetes. Today, it's part 2 of pumpkin mole. In this dish, I'm going to show you what I did with the leftover mole sauce I had from last week's dish. You will need to have your mole sauce made for this dish. You can check out my pumpkin mole video from last week. I'll leave the link to that video below. Enmoladas are a type of enchilada that use a mole sauce instead of your typical enchilada sauce, and you can fill them with whatever filling you like. I just happen to have a lot of mushrooms, and so I made a quick spinach mushroom filling. Both mushrooms and spinach are a great source of both fiber and protein, and they are very low in calories. Mushrooms are a great prebiotic to help improve glucose regulation. They alter the gut microbiome in a very good way by improving the growth of healthy bacteria. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!